Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to drag a new file in your timeline to work. So maybe you can import your file on your import space, but this time you cannot work for that. But if you want to work, then you have to drag here. You can see I just imported a clips here, but it's not on the timeline. So if you want to work on that, if you want to edit or add something or distract something, so you have to bring this clip on your timeline. So that is two way, like you can see this is the plus icon. Okay, so simply tap on that or simply click on that, and another way you can just drag it here and just leave here. And after that, you can see now you can work on that, you can edit, you can customize this clip. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, so please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.